Today, we talk about how you can validate documents with DocBits. Open the dashboard and search for your document. If the status says ready for validation, just click on it. Now you are on the validation page. Here you can check PO data and validate each field. To do this, just check the boxes with one click. Or X the fields and rematch them if you are not happy with the result. To rematch the fields, you click on the attribute and then on the area on the PDF that you want to match together. Isn't that easy? If our system finds errors, it will highlight them red and will tell you what the error is. The decision is yours to either validate it anyways or not. After you checked and validated the PO, matching, you can save the validation or add special rules for this particular document. On the right side, you find a list of tools such as the magnifying glass or dual monitor tool, but also the possibility to write a ticket to our support team or add a task. If you have further questions, feel free to check our YouTube channel or reach out to us directly via our support team.